Welcome back, Wogglers. So we're in Zoho campaigns today, and we're going to be talking about how to create lists. All right, so there's actually quite a number of different ways that you can create a list. If you watched the video on how to sync contacts, you can create a list when you're creating a sync. But honestly, one of the easiest ways is when you log into Zoho campaigns on the left-hand side. If you click on contacts, you can go to manage lists. So from here, you'll see all of the lists you've already created. You can just manually create a list, give it a name, then plot people in it. There we go, now I got a list. I can, now that I've created it, you can sync it up to different things. So you can kind of manually add some contacts. You can import contacts from other databases or using a file of some kind in, an Excel or a CSV. Or you can also create a sign-up form, which you can then embed on a website, and then when people fill out the sign-up form, then they will automatically get added to this list. You can also just you can go in, and if you know a bunch of lists that you want to have available to you, you don't have to add contacts right off the bat. You could just add them later. So there you go, we made a list. The kind of nice thing about lists is it just allows you to mix and match people. You can have very targeted lists. You can have people at the end of automations be automatically added to a list. So if you have, like a cold lead drip campaign or something, you got that running. If they make it all the way to the end, the last action in that automation can be to push the contacts that have made it through this drip to a specific list, so that then you know who made it all the way through. There you go, lists. You did it, good job. See you in the next one. Woggle woggle.